In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music on your videos from Filmora music library. Now, if you don't have your own music or music file, then don't worry. You can simply get this straight from Filmora video editor. To do that, go ahead and just click on audio here, and this will take us to Filmora audio library. Now, under this, look for the option called universal music, or you can also choose AI music. And also we have music here. So if you click on music, you can see we have a large library of music files here. And for this, just go ahead and find out the audio file that you wish by playing. And should you find the music to be suitable, go ahead and download it. For instance, I'm okay with this and I've downloaded it. So I'll just go ahead and drag it to the audio timeline here like that, and it will be added. So I'll go ahead and cut it here to the length of my video. And now if I go ahead and listen in, look at that. The music has been added successfully. If you wish to create an AI music or audio, you can also go ahead and use this option, AI audio. If you select music, this will help you to create any AI music of your mod. You can choose the mod here from happy, sad, and the mods are so many. You can also decide the theme. You can also choose it here, and as well as genre. If you select this and then generate, you will be able to create your own AI music. So that's how you can add music from Filmora music library on your videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.